Hey guys, KJNMA here. After a mediocre start of this year with winter season, which had some good anime shows by the way, and a rumbling spring anime season, summer is coming up with some heavy hitters. Actually, some of these anime were originally supposed to be released in spring, but got delayed to this pandemic. Screw you, Corona. So this video will be about what we will be watching in this season, and we will be reviewing some other animes too. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Ri ゼロから始める異世界生活セカンドシーズン
Subaru Emilia with Rem and Ram are back. Yes, ReZero has returned after around 4 years with its main storyline. There have been an release of OVA and a movie, and also they have appeared in 2 seasons of Isekai Quartet, but that wasn't enough for fans. After all, fans are eagerly waiting to see what will happen after leaving the ending of the first season at a cliffhanger situation. My thoughts about this top trending anime is that it will blow everyone's mind. And I'm expecting more Subaru and Emilia moments which were not enough in the previous season of ReZero for me. The release date is 8th of July. The studio is the same, White Fox. Yari Orino Shison Robocome wa Machigateru Khan Raishu Jasei Oregaru Season 3. Since the release of the final light novel in November last year, there has been an eager wait for the final season, which would be covering last 3 volumes. As of recording, there are 4 promotional videos released, which we have mentioned in the news video. Go check it out. One is kind of a trailer, and other 3 focuses on characters like Yukinoshita Yukino, Yuigama Yui, and Ishiki Iroha respectively. Let's get into the synopsis. As a member of service club band together to host a school prom, Hachiman, Yukino and Yui will have to put their feelings into words and truly learn to understand each other at long last. If the service club can even stay afloat, that is. So as a synopsis suggests, I expect a lot of drama after what happened in the last episode of season 2. And the prom can be a huge opportunity from something genuine or can lead to some broken relationships. Some confession incoming maybe? Anyhow, this season would be something I will be looking forward to. Studio Phil is back for animating season 3 as they did for season 2, and the release date is scheduled as 10th of July. Fire Force Season 2 NN no Sobotai. Well, I haven't seen the first season which was released in spring 2019. I know this anime is popular, so I'm going to try watching it the first season and then catch up with this season 2. I'm not sure that I will be finishing this anime within time, but it has been on my watch list since a long time. The release date is 4th of July. The studio is David Production. Shokugeki no Soma Go no Sara Food Wars 5th season. After concluding a main storyline in 4th plate which uncovered a lot of mysteries, the 5th plate is including a start of a new storyline in this time, focusing on the Blue arc. This would be the final season of Food Wars, as the Blue is one of the final arcs and there has been an official confirmation as well. The first 2 episodes gave hints to what about to go down in the final season before it got delayed to summer, and also gave a look at a new prominent character who might have some ties to a certain someone. Even giving out his name will be a major spoiler. As manga readers, you guys already know. The release date of episode 3 is 17th of July. Now let's talk about new release, God of High School. Now this anime, I think I should be punished if I'll be not talking about this anime. People are actually going crazy about this anime. And also summer season has actually been most awaited due to this anime particularly. Okay, without telling anything further, I'll tell you short synopsis so that you will understand why it is so hyped for a reason. It all began as a fight tournament to seek out the best fighter among all high school students in Korea. Morin Jin, a taekwondo specialist and a high school student, soon learns that there is something much greater beneath the stage of the tournament. The genre is action, comedy, and adventure. And that's the reason people are waiting for it. Also, it has been a while that anime fans have not experienced a good long running action comedy series after Dragon Ball Z and Hunter x Hunter. I won't say this anime will be the best anime of this season, but I have to say this anime is very cool and it has some jaw dropping moments. God of High School will be releasing on 6th of July. It is a webtoon manhwa and it is made by MAPPA. In this anime you will laugh, you will enjoy the action scene, some erotic stuff that will make you laugh and much more. So don't miss this anime. And I won't be spoiling, but what I saw from the first episode 5-minute clip was, a thief, a bag chasing something. So you will know when you watch the first episode. Decadence. This anime by synopsis gave me the feeling of Attack on Titans. Let me read the synopsis in short first. Many years have passed since humanity have driven to the brink of extinction by the sudden emerge of the unknown life form called Gadol. Those humans that survive now dwell into 3000 meter high mobile fortress Decadence, built to protect themselves from the threat of Gadol. Denizens of Decadence fall into two categories: Gear, warriors who fight Gadol daily, and tankers, those without the skills to fight. This anime is sci-fi, action, and the plot is interesting with a quite interesting storyline. The animation is done by Nut Studio and the release date is 8th of July. Now coming to our next anime that I'll be watching is GB8. GB8 looked quite interesting to me due to our current situation of the pandemic. The synopsis will make you understand why. In 2030, Japan, the virus has infected humans throughout the world. Infected people turn into different forms of monster based on their ages, sexes, and races. The virus is named Gibeah after being rich in variety like Gibeah. Just then a pair of samurai ninja appeared in such a blighted wasteland of Japan. They both travel from early Edo period, fighting together with the help from a doctor who tries to find cure from Gibeah. Facing seasonal attack from Gibeahs and outlaws that attack travelers for food. They start the dangerous journey with enemies all around. The genre is purely action and the release date is 15th of July. Actually, I'm interested in this anime because I like watching samurai fights, which I find really very awesome.
ところでお主ら、もうセックスはしたのか?
Kanujo Korishimasu. The title of this anime means borrowing or renting a girlfriend. Now there are some services that let you rent a girlfriend and this anime will be all about this concept. The anime actually means the synopsis. It all starts with renting a girlfriend. This anime is amusing as well and we'll definitely be watching this anime. The release date of this anime is 11th of July. Now let us talk about this anime, Uzaki-chan wa Asobitai. This anime is actually very entertaining by the looks of the trailer. It gave me the feeling of itchy version of Takagi-san. But now, let's just see the synopsis. Sakura Shinichi's only wish is for little peace and quiet. But Uzaki Hana, his boisterous when endowed underclassman, has other plans. All she wants is to hang out and poke fun at him with the help of her chipper charm and peppery persistence. This might be just the start of beautiful relationship. The genre is comedy, itchy and romance. Now I'm a fan of all these three genres. I love to laugh on itchy comedy scenes with little romance in it. Again, by the looks of the trailer, it looks very promising to me. But let's see what happens when it releases. And the release date is 10th of July. And now that we have talked about Ichi, let me mention more Ichi anime that I will be watching in this season. At least I will try to watch them. I'm not sure that I will continue them. Those names are Dokyo Hentai Heroes and Monster Musume no Oisha-san. Now people, don't get confused with Monster Musume no Iru Nichijo. These two are completely different animes. Mahou Gakuen 4th of July, Peter Grill 11th of July, and No Gun Life Season 2 10th of July. So that were the all animes we will be watching in this season. Hope you find your anime that you will be watching in this season. Comment down below that what anime you liked, which anime you have an opinion on, and I will be signing off as usual by my line. Like, share, subscribe, and I hope your waifu and husbando may come true.